guys. Welcome back to another video.
Pero agarra el teléfono bien. Agarra el teléfono bien.
Tell them.
We're too tired to tell them.
No, pusieron las de así. De todas las vigas.
¿Qué
I
hiciste
had
hoy?
my first communion.
¿Qué es eso? What's your first communion?
I'm receiving Jesus Christ.
Dijiste que íbamos a hacer un video y ahora te estás quedando dormido.
Your chicken nugget.
Un chicken nugget. Este es chicken nugget number 1. I'm not a real chicken nugget, but I tell him I am just so that you can,
I heard that.
Oh, oops.
You are a chicken nugget. You can see it. Guys, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you she's rich.
Rich. Super rich. Not just
She got a
rich.
real diamond.
I've had this for 4 years. This is the first time you see it? We've been married for 4 years, Omar and I. First time you see it?
Disgusting, right guys?
Disgusting. No. Omar's a chicken tender.
Yeah, he is.
He's cute.
You can tell he's a chicken tender.
Just by the smell.
And just by the smell of you, you can tell you're a chicken nugget. And if they're wait.
Show them your outfit.
Wait, where's fried chicken?
¿Mm?
Where's fried chicken?
Por aquí no. Aquí va por lugar.
Oh yeah. Wait, then who are they?
Los papás de chicken tender.
He is
Mamá tender y papá tender.
No.
Porque
You know
Omar
that
es un tender.
chicken that they make at my house that isn't fried?
Le cortaron todos los árboles. Seguro van a limpiar eso ahí.
Vamos a donde vivíamos antes, Rodrigo.
Ahí estaban los hombres.
We're gonna go pick up some mail.
Oh, they're
Allá está uno,
almost
Mira, vamos a todos los
No, the trees. They knocked down the trees.
vivían los hombres. Pero que lo
Why?
limpiaron. Está bien que lo hayan hecho.
Cortaron todo.
Porque vivían muchos homeless.
Como viene la gente a comprar matas en primavera.
They're
Después dice que se
non-cooked
muere
chicken. It's my mom. Is
con
it?
las mías.
No.
Mira, bastante.
Oh, mía.
Ah, porque hay promoción.
Despídete, pues.
Well,
Una venta, una
Wait,
venta.
let's see while more. Oh, it's an old home.
qué rico.
They live somewhere else. Yeah, we forgot to tell you guys.
We're gonna go eat Chinese food and then we'll check in with y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
Lo bueno que tiene futuro.
You're a chicken nugget. Such a chicken nugget. Such a chicken nugget. She's such a chicken nugget. Bye, guys. No!